Hello everyone, I hope you guys are awesome. So as you all know, calisthenics is all about a strong core, right? So in this video, we are going to train our core, our upper abs, lower abs, as well as our obliques. So without any delay, let's start our video.
First, we will do crunches and train our upper abs. Second, we will do leg raises, but you need to raise your hips also and train our lower abs. Third, we will do flutter kicks if you want that V line on your abs. And fourth, we will do side crunches to train our obliques. The fifth exercise is dragon flag. It is an advanced core exercise. Okay, so yeah, you can try this. But if you are not able to do it with the both legs, you can do it with one leg. You can try it with one leg first. And the last exercise, we will end our session with the L sit.
With this, our core is ready for calisthenics now. Okay, do these exercises 3 times a week. You can do on alternative days. And if you enjoyed the video, like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Be healthy.